Welcome guys. So guys, from the city, I don't know what I go on. Yeah, new vlog, cooking vlog. Come and cook with me. So guys, today I will be doing rice and peas. That's gungo rice and peas with pork. So the pork I thought well seasoned for last week. Pure, rich, pure coconut milk. Guys, ready? Yeah. Over here, so nobody watch this people. I'm gonna make my breakfast. Peas in this ready for the pressure. Yeah, soon checking back. Okay, guys. Welcome back, guys. So, pressure pot on. Wongo peas. Throw two pimento in it and we go pressure the peas with some of the coconut milk. Yes. Pot a preheat over here. So, see. And I'll go in. Okay guys, so as I go along, you know me catch up back with you. Yeah guys. So guys, even though my meat has been seasoned from a week ago, today I have just added my ginger. You know, say pork is full of ginger. I'll put a little piece of garlic in it and I just throw a little bit of browning on it and I go rub in that, but you know me have to wash my hands first. Okay guys, washing off my hands. Yeah. Rubbing ginger. So guys, here you have the oil. You know you have to use a little bit of oil with everything that I cook in. Oil is not good. Little to no oil. Right, we're doing pork. That's, you know, the fat from the pork of its natural oil. So the oil is being preheated. I'll test it with that. Alright, I'm going to put in. For me, doing stew pork, I like when them brown a bit first before adding the water. You can always do to the style of your choice, right? But that's just my people see. And guys, for those who don't know, this is one of my favorite things to cook. I love to cook pork. I am good at cooking, but I think I am best as cooking pork. Right? God bless me now that you're ready to cook pork. God say, this is your own pork me give. Yeah guys, one of my favorite things to cook. So let's go and catch color and simmer down on it on. Soon catch it back guys. The people who are going in a junk shop. Soon check in back people. Who are going in a junk shop. Soon check in back people. Yeah people. See And guys, for those who don't, my favorite thing to cook. So soon catch it back guys. So people, these over here are my ground seasoning for the pork, and this will be added final at the end. And these are for my rice and peas, right? So you add these to your rice and peas with butter and a little black pepper, a little all-purpose. You season it you season it to your choice and taste. I do it to my choice and taste. Many people do add all these powder seasons to them rice and peas. I add a little. These are for the meat, so soon come back, guys. I'll show you when them add to the pot. There you have it, guys. Meat a simmer to gravy. Rice and peas pot season up. This is my natural coconut milk. Guys, I just want to smell this. OMG. Right, so you know this soon boil up. I'm gonna wash my rice and get it prepared for when this start boil. I add my butter with my rice. That's of my choice. So when I'm going to add the rice, I'll add the butter as well. Yeah, she over this, so ketchup going already. Me put ketchup in my I cook with ketchup, I should say, something of my choice. There you have it, guys. It's ready for the rice to go in, so I'm going to add the rice just now with the butter. And right, this is the pork ready. Right, guys, as I said, I use these as a garnish. I love my vegetables crunchy, so I don't cook it along with the meal. That's my way. Right, guys? Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Guys, remember I love y'all so much. Here, people, so add the rice now. So you have to stir up the rice and peas and make sure they cook on a stick. And turn down the flame for the rice to steam. Yes, turning. Oh, hell. So people, meantime the food I finish up, me I go and wash up. You know you have to keep your place tidy. Me, if you know me, you know say me love my place tidy. So as I cook, I clean, right? As I go along, I clean up. So I don't have that hard work to leave back when I'm finished. Because when I'm finished, I'm finished. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Sorry for taking so long to come back to you guys with a cooking video. Okay, guys. Soon come back when food done and have time to share. Here, people, see it? I'm going to stir in it now. Tea it up. Yes, people. I love brown rice, rice and peas. Sweet and nice. Rice and peas. With brown rice. As I said, that's for me, people. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, share it over your song. This so, guys. Yeah. I inspire to help others cook. Yes, guys, I love to cook and I would love to help others. See it, people, food done and share. So guys, remember to comment, like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. Okay, people, they have it, rice and gungo rice and peas with stewed pork, raw vegetables, and sweet corn. I'm out, guys.